Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. I know that you guys are probably wondering why this is all empty because I just did a video not too long ago showing you that this was installed and I had put all of my stuff in here and organized everything nicely and showed you the end result, and now I am moving. So I just wanted to share the transition and show you, what I have out so far. I've already put things over in the other spot that I could for now, but this is all waiting because I need to buy some liners for drawers, but I'll show you. We'll get into it, but I still need to find a home for these things. But I just want to show you because I don't know that I've actually gone through my things. So I'll go through the things that I have here and then over there too. So these are all of my Mia Secret powders or acrylics that I have. I have Madam Glam and Model 1's gel polishes and some random things. I have my acrylic paints or my craft paints, acrylic paints. I have these are actually paint powders by Stuart Semple that my brother actually got these for me, and they work as pigments, so really nice. And then I have all of these nail accessories. This section right here is basically from Amazon. And I have a couple randoms, like here I have some Young Nails. These are this is the foil I use, and then these are from Young Nails. But I have the chromes, the opal chromes from Born Pretty. These are from Amazon. This comes in like a little set. These are from MVP Nail Design. She sent me these, very pretty. She has like nail accessories on her website. These are also from MVP Nail Designs. These are from Amazon. Very pretty. And then I have some different colored chromes here. These are from Amazon. I have these. I did a video on these actually. These are from Glow For Me Cosmetics. I did a whole video swatching this entire collection, but I never got a chance to show these. So look how beautiful they are. I just want to show you. Look at this one really quick. So pretty. Yeah. So beautiful. And these are from, this is a collection I got from Miss Muñequitas Nails, which I've used a few times on my videos before. And then that's where my Ready Wanna Hand came in. And so yeah, I'm still in the transition, or I'm sorry, in the process of moving everything over there. So some of it had to wait because I need, like I said, I need liners. I have some of the not polished stuff still waiting to go over there, but I have it set up. But I'll show you what I have so far. All right, so here it is. This is what I've been working on. I just wanted to show you guys. I guess I have my own dedicated space to recording and to doing nails, and yeah, just doing what I love to do. And I just wanted to share it with you because I know I just shared the update over there, but this is where my space is going to be. And I just want to show you, this is the summer collection by Not Polish, so I displayed it there because it looks beautiful. I swatched. These are the swatches. These are swatches from the Mia Secret colors and some of the gel polishes that I have. This is my JC Beauty Concepts collection, and these are some of the other colors. These are their 3 of their collections. They have more, I think like 2 or 3 more. But yeah, and then I have some of their colors in here. But yeah, JC Beauty, here's a plug. JC Beauty Concepts is Jammy 15, the code, and then Not Polish is just Jammy. So Jammy 15 and then Jammy, just so you guys know. But if you guys can help me out with this, I struggled with this over there, and I think it's inevitable when you need lighting and you're recording and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I figured as long as I have a space to come in and out on this side, it should be fine over there. But I don't know. I still need to figure that out. But so far, this is what I've been doing just recently. Whoops. So up here, obviously I have the stuff that I need the fastest or the quickest, or I need access to the most. What am I talking about? But I have my tips up here, lint-free wipes, my bits, and yeah, and I have the preps and then top coats and all that stuff in there, my dabbing dish. And here are some of, oh, these are some of the nudes and the colors from JC Beauty Concepts, and then my clears from JC Beauty Concepts, Mia Secret, and Young Nails. And again, these are actually, I've had these for a long time. These were from Libby Ortega, which is RNS. Her products I ordered, I think she had just like, that's when she first started. And then I have some nail art stuff, if I can talk, and the some of the stones or jewels. And I lined up my nail forms there. I got my stamping plates. Why do I feel winded? And then my gloves, my masks, nail files, older nail tips, manicure brushes. And down here I actually have the reason why I fill these is because these are lined. That's why I was able to transition some of those. I have a liner in here, and I had I'm gonna put my UV lamps in there. Oh, I forgot to show you the other one I have over in the other room. I got here I had to kind of like secure this so it's lined under here so that I could have it to my right. So I don't know, I'm just trying to make do, but it'll probably change. I'm thinking of just clearing that out and just having products up there on display. And then I bought some wall art on Amazon, which I'm gonna be getting on Tuesday for back there. And I have some storage in there. And yeah, that's it. I was vacuuming, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this space yet. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. I do know for now I'm going to be putting that desk there and the products, and wait until I buy the liner, because I'm gonna line the rest of these drawers so that I can put everything in there. And what else? And I think that's it. And I can also use it to record. I mean, maybe I'll start talking to you guys and actually show myself over here. So I don't know, I think, yeah, I guess I have my own space now. So I just wanted to share what I've been doing and what I've been working on. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you liked the little room tour. And I could do another one. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you want an updated one once all the wall art and everything is in the drawers, because there wasn't really much over there to bring or to transition over here, but I could do an updated video if you'd like. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my room tour, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, it's just a little project I am working on. I officially have a nail room dedicated to just nails. I have a space behind here, right behind me, but I don't want to show it because there's some things there that I need to put away, put in storage. But yeah, I have a whole empty wall there that I could probably put like a sofa couch, or a sofa bed. But yeah, This is my new workspace, and then those wire racks that Jonathan just put up before are probably going to go here or behind me there, or maybe on this back wall here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I'm working.